Most people think money is the ultimate flex, but the truth is there are things that impress people way more than how much in your bank account. Money fades, but character, skill, and presence leave a lasting impact. So here are 15 things that impress people more than money, and the best part is anyone can build them. First, confidence. Not arrogance, but real grounded confidence, the kind of comes from knowing who you are and not needing to prove it. When someone walks in a room and owns their energy, people notice. Second, discipline. Being able to show up every day to the work and stay committed to even when no one's watching. That's rare and it's respected. Third, emotional intelligence. The ability to stay calm under pressure and read a room, to connect without saying much. That's a superpower. Fourth, having a clear purpose. People are drawn to those who know where they are going. Purpose gives you presence, weight, and people feel it. Fifth, the ability to communicate well, whether it's speaking, writing, and simply listening deeply. Great communication stand out everywhere in conversations, meeting, and relationships. Sixth, self-respect. People who hold themselves to a high standard, who don't chase validation, and who walk away from what doesn't align. They don't need money to earn respect. Seventh, a growth mindset. When you meet someone who always learning, improving, and evolving, you feel it. That energy is magnetic. 8. Authenticity. In world of full filters and fakes, being real is rare. When you're unapologetically yourself, people can't help but pay attention. Ninth, resilience. Life will test you, and how you respond says everything. Those who bounce back, keep going, and stay strong under pressure, they earn silent admiration. 10th, generosity. Giving time, support, and kindness without expecting anything back leaves a lasting impression that no amount of cash can buy. 11th, integrity. Doing the right thing even when it's hard. Build the reputation money can't touch. People trust you, and trust is everything. 12th, ambition with humility. When someone's chasing big dreams but stays grounded and grateful, that combo is powerful. 13. A strong work ethic. Showing up early, staying late, doing more than expected. It's the flashy, but it speaks volume. 14. Leadership. Not just being a charge, but inspiring people, uplifting people, and making those around you better. That's rare and unforgettable. And finally, presence. Some people walk in the room and change the energy without saying any word. It's not about what they wear or what they own. It's about how they carry themselves, the energy they bring, and how they make others feel. You don't need million to be memorable. The things that truly impress, that come from within. Focus on building who you are, not just what you have. That's the kind of wealth no one can take from you, and the kind of people never forget.